Let's learn and color with fun ABC Kids.
King. K is for king. 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 Dark pink color. Light pink color. Black color. Yellow color. Red color. Brown color. Orange color. Purple color. Green color. Light blue color. Dark blue color. Which color is this, kids? This is green color. Good job. Let us trace the letter K using green color. Let us draw a capital K. Capital K is the standing line. Let us draw a slanting line. Let us draw another slanting line. This is the letter capital K. Let us draw a letter small k. To draw letter small k, draw a standing line. Let's draw a small slanting line. Draw another slanting line. This is the letter small k. K for king. Let us draw king. Capital K, small k, K for king. K is for king. 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 K, capital K. Capital K, let us trace standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Capital K, standing line, small slanting line, small slanting line, small k. Come on, kids, repeat after me. Capital K, small k. K for good job, king. King. Which color is this, kids? Good job, yellow color. This is brown color. This is purple color. Red color. K for king. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.